out for the ride. Shiska back there. She's sacked out. Good.
Alexa, this is Western Harmonics calling. Are you there? Pick up. Hey Alexa, we're back in stock and ready to reconnect on Amazon Prime. It's been a minute. How you been? Let's make life a little cooler, a little brighter, and a whole lot more efficient. Together.
Hello Western Harmonics. Long time no see. I've been busy keeping home smart and playlists perfect. What's new with you?
Oh, you know us. We turn sunlight into wind. We've been on pre-order while manufacturing a whole lot more. And guess what? We're all stocked up and ready for Prime delivery.
That's fantastic. You know, people have been asking about you. Shall I let them know you're ready to cool things down?
Absolutely. And hey Alexa, remind everyone, Western Harmonics fans are powered by the sun, built to last, and now just a click away.
Got it. Adding Western Harmonics to everyone's summer must-have list. Anything else?
That's perfect Alexa. Let's make this summer the coolest one yet, powered by the sun, and delivered by Prime.
Consider it done. Welcome back, Western Harmonics.
Western Harmonics solar-powered fans, powered by the sun, delivered by Prime. Just say, Alexa, add Western Harmonics solar-powered fan to my cart.